After 50, most people accept slowing down as normal. But what if just one simple movement could keep your joints strong, your muscles alive, and your body burning fat like it used to? You guessed it, it's the squat. If you're over 50, this video is for you. I'm going to show you why squats aren't just another leg exercise. They're the single most powerful move to transform how you look, feel, and move every day. I've worked with hundreds of clients in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s, and here's the truth. Strength doesn't disappear overnight. It fades because we stop using it. But squats give it back. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the 4 game-changing reasons why squats are essential for anyone over 50. We'll cover strength, mobility, metabolism, and balance. Plus, practical tips you can start using today. And the best part? You don't need a gym or fancy equipment. Let's get started. Reason number 1. Squats build your foundation, your legs, glutes, and core. Most people think of strength training and picture biceps or a big chest, but the real power comes from your lower body. Your legs and glutes are the pillars that support everything you do, from standing up to climbing stairs to carrying groceries. Here's the important part. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, especially in the lower body. This leads to weakness, slower walking, and even a higher risk of falls. But squats reverse that trend. Every time you squat, you're training multiple muscle groups to work together. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core all fire at once. It's like upgrading the foundation of your house so everything built on top stays strong. Did you know studies show lower body strength is directly linked to longevity and independence as we age? That's why I always start my clients with foundational movements like squats. It's not about big muscles. It's about staying strong where it matters most. Reason number 2. Squats improve mobility and joint health. Let's be honest. Stiff hips, creaky knees, and limited flexibility can make daily activities a struggle. But here's the good news. Squats help keep your joints young. When you perform squats correctly, you're moving your hips, knees, and ankles through a healthy range of motion. This movement acts almost like natural lubrication for your joints. It improves blood flow, strengthens connective tissues, and keeps your joints functional. Here's the important part. Mobility isn't just for athletes. It's what lets you bend down to tie your shoes, sit and stand without pain, or play with your grandkids on the floor. Did you know regular squatting is associated with better hip mobility and reduced risk of knee problems in older adults? You don't have to go deep or fast. Consistency matters more than perfection. Think of every squat as a small investment in future pain-free movement. Over time, those investments add up to freedom. Reason number 3. Squats turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Here's why. When you work large muscle groups, like your legs and glutes, your body has to work harder. That means it burns more energy, not just during the workout, but hours afterward. This is called the afterburn effect. By engaging major muscle groups, squats increase your metabolic rate, helping you shed fat while building lean muscle. Imagine this. You squeeze in just 3 sets of squats before breakfast. Even after you're done, your body keeps burning calories throughout the day, like keeping a furnace warm long after the fire's lit. Here's the important part. You don't need heavy weights to get started. Bodyweight squats, done with good form and consistency, are powerful enough. And as your strength grows, adding resistance will amplify the effect. Did you know? Lower body resistance training has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and support weight management even in older adults. That's real metabolic power.
Reason number 4. Squats improve posture, balance, and reduce injury risk. Posture is more than standing tall. It's your body's natural armor. As we age, weak core muscles and poor alignment often lead to slouching, back pain, and imbalance. Squats strengthen the stabilizer muscles around your spine and teach your body to stay aligned. Here's the important part. Every time you squat, your core is working to keep you upright. Over time, this builds a kind of muscular armor that protects your spine and joints from unnecessary stress. Balance improves too. Strong legs and a stable core mean fewer trips, stumbles, and falls, which are one of the biggest risks as we get older. Did you know consistent lower body training is linked to significantly lower fall rates in people over 60? That's huge. So whether you're standing at work without slouching, carrying heavy bags, or simply moving through life, squats make sure your body supports you, not the other way around.
Now that you know why squats are essential, let's talk about how to start, especially if you're new or returning after a long break. Step 1. Start with body weight. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up, engage your core, and lower yourself slowly like you're sitting into a chair. Go as low as your mobility allows. Step 2. Use support if needed. You can squat onto a chair, hold onto a wall, or use a sturdy surface for balance. There's no shame in modifying. Form always comes before depth. Step 3. Focus on consistency. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps a few times a week. As you get stronger, increase depth, reps, or add light weights. Here's the important part. Don't rush it. Proper form protects your knees and back. If you stay consistent, progress comes naturally. Remember, squats meet you where you are. Whether you're 50 or 75, your body can adapt. So, now you know why squats truly are the #1 exercise to transform your body after 50. They build strength where it matters most, keep your joints moving smoothly, fire up your metabolism, and give you the posture and balance to live life confidently. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Even just a few squats a day can set off a chain reaction of positive changes. If this video inspired you, here's your action step. Stand up and do 10 bodyweight squats right now. Yes, right now. Your future self will thank you. And if you want more practical, science-backed fitness tips to stay strong and healthy after 50, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Your transformation starts with one squat. Let's do this together.